Learn present simple passive. A day at the art museum. Easy grammar story. Hi, English learners. In today's lesson, we'll visit an art museum and learn grammar at the same time. Let's discover how the present simple passive is used in real life. The present simple passive is used when the doer of the action is unknown or not important. Let's look at some example sentence. Active sentence. The guide opens the museum. Passive form. The museum is opened every day. Now, how to make the passive form? Am, is, are plus the past participle. Example. Am, is, are, plus taken plus, by. What is the past participle? Let's look at the basic verb take. Took is the past form, and taken is the past participle form. A day at the museum. The museum is visited by many people every day. As they walk in, they are greeted by beautiful paintings. Each artwork is displayed carefully. Important information is provided next to every piece. Guided tours are offered every hour. Visitors are taken through different art styles and history. Damaged artwork is repaired by experts. Delicate pieces are handled with special gloves. Before closing, every exhibit is checked. The building is cleaned and prepared for the next day. Let's have a quick recap. Which passive sentence is correct? A. The museum is visited by tourists. B. The museum visited tourists. A is correct. The museum is visited by tourists. Let's quiz. Choose the correct answer. Only one option is correct in each question. Are you ready? 1. What is the main verb tense used in the story? A. Present simple active. B. Present continuous. C. Present simple passive. Answer. C. Present simple passive. 2. Which sentence is in the present simple passive? A. The artist paints a picture. B. The gallery opens at 10 a.m. C. A new painting is added every week. Answer. C. A new painting is added every week. Great job, learners. Remember, the present simple passive is used to describe routines and general truths. Subscribe for more grammar stories and download your free worksheet below.